Still checking if the place still cold. Moving in the way, no place, no snow. Straight chilling with my niggas and shiver. Thinking about South Lake, thoughts on the river.
Hello guys, today we will be installing fog lights in TVS Jupiter. So if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe. So we have bought 4 set of fog lights for 350 rupees and its build quality is actually very good. It contains 7 LED bulbs in it. So for installing, first you will have to remove its number plate. So remove these 2 screws carefully. So if it is tight, apply some oil and try to open. So after removing the 2 screws, you will be have to remove screws at the back. So there will be 8 screws actually. So it actually depends on scooter. In TVS Jupiter you will have to remove all the 8 screws. So let's remove it. So after removing 8 set of screws, its body will come off. So you have to remove it very carefully. So when you open it, you'll have 2 wires. You have to unplug those. So to unplug those wires, you just need to press on the holder. So it will come off easily. So those wires are for indicators. So then you will find the wire, orange wire. Actually, you have to cut it. So to install fog light, you can install it anywhere. So now will be installing it number plate like this. So we have installed a set switch there. So we made a hole using a screwdriver, and we pressed on the body so that we can pass the wire through it. So there won't be any wire outside messing around. So from the switch you have to connect it to the orange wire. So other end of the switch you have to carry it to the fog lights, and fog lights one end will be to the orange wire and another end will be to the body negative. So you can, when you turn on the switch, it will light up like this. Yes.